everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, we always have some dress materials to get stitched at our home and think of making it a designer one. So in this video, I am showing you few stylish casual wear salwar kameez designs. So continue watching the video till the end to get some idea about how you can make a designer outfit for yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.